This was never a wig. Like, why do y'all play with me? Installing a wig, so I thought that I would just show you guys the foundation and stuff like that, because y'all know that my hair is short now. So this is gonna be my first time putting a wig on after I cut it. Ooh, my hair is freshly washed, by the way. Y'all, my hair is growing. I'm just gonna flat twist. I'm not really good with braiding. I kind of lose like the structure / pattern in the middle of my head, so I'm not even going to try to do that because I already know. But I'm gonna just speed up the process, and yeah, we're gonna be doing it start to finish. I'm also gonna be cutting my wig, so stay tuned for that too. And I'm gonna take my Effortless Crown hair growth oil and just run it down my scalp. Okay, so I'm back. First, I would like to say ignore the background. I'm doing laundry, so I had to take all my bedding off, and you know, y'all know the drill, laundry, whatever. I did my nails, I did my toes, I got in the shower. Oh, and I cut the wig. Let me show y'all. Bam. I've been running my fingers through it, that's why it's so puffy, but it was so bomb before I like messed with it, but it looks bomb like this too. A huge tip: if you're going to apply a frontal wig with glue, get in the shower first. Seriously, y'all are going to thank me later, because if you apply the wig and then get in the shower, your wig is coming up. It's coming up. Anyways, let's get into it. Period. First, let me just show y'all what this wig is giving, because it's giving me life. It's giving me life. Oh, this is cute. I didn't see it like this. Tell me it's not giving scalp. Where's the lace right now? Oh, this part not even centered. I'm gonna fix that later, y'all. Don't even talk about me. Okay, I'm just clipping the hair out the way so that when I glue the lace down, the hair doesn't really get stuck. Okay, this is so weird. I wore this wig before, but the ear tab placement is like completely different now for some reason. Okay, I'm gonna be using my favorite Boho Active. Okay, y'all need to get this. Y'all need to get this. If y'all using Ghost Bond, stop. Get this. I used to use Ghost Bond. I don't like it that much compared to this. Okay. I'm gonna try my hardest not to get my edges, because y'all know I just cut my hair. I'm on a journey, and that includes edges. I used to pull out my edges so bad, especially my sideburns. I did not care about the sideburns. Depending on how I'm feeling, I like to smooth my glue in until it's dry, or clear, or I'll just let it sit. Okay, last layer. Do y'all see that? How my skin is like, it wants to stick to my finger? That means it's ready. Okay, a little trick. I'm gonna take my comb and push the lace. Whoops. The lace into the glue. I'm just taking out all the baby hairs.
And I'm gonna put it over like that.
Okay, so I just folded my headband in half to make it a little bit tighter. It is really tight, but I want to make sure that the lace like melts. This is a new method that I actually am trying out. I never really do this, but I want to see if it works. Okay, and I should be able to style everything while I'm waiting. So I'm gonna try a new technique for the styling process too. I'm about to cut this because there's no reason why that should be showing. So I'm going to wet my hair. I'm gonna take this leave-in detangling milk. This stuff smells so good. The whole Aussie line smells good, in my opinion. Y'all, I really finessed this curl pattern too. Like, it kept clumping together, so I did a cut that separated the curls so they wouldn't clump. And don't worry, I'm gonna do a whole 360 later on so y'all can see. I'm also gonna take some of my Got To Be mousse, which also smells amazing. Ooh. Imagine if my edges was like this. Somebody better tell me that ain't it. Period. This was never a wig. Like, why do y'all play with me? This was never a wig. This was always my real hair. So this side, did not stay. Okay, and now I have to fix my part, so I'm gonna just take concealer. All right, I'm gonna do a full spin so y'all could get a gist of the whole wig before I end the video. Period. All right, that's it for today's video. If you guys like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And what's your thoughts on this wig? I still feel like I'm gonna have a couple adjustments to make with my edges because I'm not really feeling it. But time will tell, y'all. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Period. Thank you guys. I'll talk to y'all next time. Later.
Met a baddie, she be low-key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, Jose. I show my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on with him.